Hello and servus from Germany. Soon there will be here the Oktoberfest. I hope maybe some people of you have time to come. Please let me know. I would be happy for sure. um, Welcome to a new video. My name is Patrick from Munich-Ai, and in this video I have a big announcement because our new strategy, the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, is ready. So I'm really excited to show you. I showed you already in the last video a bit like about the strategy or the main new functions, what it does, but yeah, since yesterday or the day before, I'm finally happy that I implemented all the functions carefully and solved all the problems there were in the code. And now I'm really excited to show you the new strategy and its functions. So, and the other part of the video today, I want to give you an update about the CKB. The CKB-Bot we have created a couple of videos ago, some weeks ago. Yeah, and I want to tell you what's the current average profit, how much profit we made, like the percentage. And I think it's, I've read 20 days. Yeah, it's running for 20 days, the CKB-Bot. This bot is based on the settings for our new Smart DCA Profit Hunter. I will show you in a bit. So the settings I explained also in the last video or another video before when I explained how to set up your first bot. Yeah. So for those who don't know who I am, who is Munich-Ai, let's switch over to our website. So basically, as in every video I explained at the beginning, we are Munich-Ai. We are creating strategies. We help people to buy cryptos, the first ones, help them how to store it actually. And also one of the biggest part is to trade crypto automatically with Pine scripts and different strategies. So if you never had a bot before or never traded with a bot, so you can set up a bot really easy. I will help you with that. We need a 1 hour session and then just let it run and do it the work. So on our website, here on the left side, there's everything about learning about cryptos for companies and so on, even for private people, of course. And the other side is trading. And the most important part, like if you want to become a member of the Munich-Ai Traders Elite Club, you will get all the strategies, you will get one-on-one sessions, and I will help you with everything to set up a bot, and you will get the highest performance strategies we have. So let's keep the topic of the highest performance strategies, the Smart DCA Profit Hunter. So I've worked like the last months, 1-2 months, really hard on the strategy. And finally, I'm really happy to release it because the Smart DCA Profit Hunter we had before, it was missing a bit about accuracy and the fact that we wanted to use more indicators as base, safety, and sell, for example, and some other functions. I thought about, okay, I will just start from the beginning, from the bottom, and start with the standard three commas DCA strategy, like with the basic settings. And then on top, I will add like the safety conditions. I will add like the sell strategy and so on, minimum profit and other things. So the strategy will be continue, of course, updated from time to time, and there will be new functions. So yeah, please stay tuned. Let's switch over to TradingView. So in TradingView, in general, we have like here you can see the first look of a strategy. I've shown it last time as well. And this strategy, you will see here is just one I set it up quite easy, which is like based on the RSI of buy and safety order, so base order and safety order. When you double click here, you will get, if you're a member of the Munich-Ai Traders Club, you will get all the indicators as well. Like I have last time explained that you have one RSI indicator because sometimes you want to use the base, safety, and the sell in the same time. And some people have not a higher subscription, therefore one indicator for everything for base, safety, and sell. So, and I've just created an easy strategy, buy on lengths of 7, 30 value, lower, this is lower in Germany, and safety also, and the sell, I might not use it here, probably I use the MACD, so let's see, I disable it. So therefore it will disappear, but later in the strategy we even choose what we want to use. So basically, if you open the Smart Profit Hunter, You see like basic settings like this e-commerce settings like take profit, base order size, safety order size, long. You can also use short. And then you have the special settings like the max safety trades counts. You have the price deviation, volume scale, step scale, all these settings you usually know. And then you have the minimum profit. The minimum profit is for the sell indicator. I will move it later downwards here when it's released. And here you just choose if you want to use for a sell indicator or take profit. So we want to for now use the sell indicator. If you use for selling the take profit, you have the standard take profit settings from here. Yeah? Otherwise, sell indicator, you will use a minimum profit because we want to reach like a certain level before selling with the indicator. So here on the external indicator itself, you choose what you want to use. I have just put like the random standard MACD from indicators here, indicators. And here you can choose like histogram, MACD, sell setting, signal, and I use just the histogram. Was I? Yeah. So, and then if we scroll down, we have all the new parts, so the base order. You choose, I want to use an indicator. The other option is like as soon as possible. How many you want to use. So 1, 2, 3, 3, I will correct it. So I use only one. Here, the base order indicator, you choose it, which one you want to use. So if you use the RSI, you can just use the base order RSI and make your settings. Same for the safeties. I also use one yes, external, and choose also the safety order. Yeah. So that's it. So if you have configured it like this and choose the MACD as a sell indicator, that's pretty easy. Then you already have a really, really nice strategy for all different markets. And you see, it's always the advantage of even when you have like a falling market, as we have here on my favorite coin CKB, dropping down from 0.018 to, as we usually have, to 0.008. And even in a down way, with the minimum take profit, I think it's 1 or 2, we're waiting to get the uppest best take profit based on the signal of the MACD, which is pretty nice. So, and this is just like endless configurations you can do. It's not only possible to make like a strategy like this, which is more long-term, focusing on a bit more profit, but of course you can also make like, as some people I know, using a strategy like where you have like, let's say 10 max trades count, you're using a price deviation of 1, you want the volume scale from 2, because this is a strategy which closing daily. So trades count 1, volume scale, step scale 1, and let's say minimum profit, let's put it on 0.5 because we want to use the MACD, and then you will directly see what's happening here. You have a lot of daily trades and the red arrows are the closes. So is there any safer strategy like this? I don't think so. You can set up like any strategy you want. And even here you get the higher profit because you're using the MACD cell. And this is a really, really nice strategy. If you maybe make it a bit more conservative, choosing the RSI lengths to 14 for initial buy and safety order, because you have less trades, of course, but it's pretty nice for leverage, using a leverage from 10x or 15x or something like that. No recommendation, do your own risk, but you will always finish your trades really nice, even with the advantage of the MACD. So there's like endless configurations. As I said, you can even, of course, go on higher time frames. And the really, really nice thing about that is, let's say, for example, in here, that profit is not so high because we're using 0.5. But I just want to show you if we have like in the strategy here, let's say now there's 2.4 profit over the last time. And we want to see it on the trading view backtester. Let me put the required capital because here is quite a lot. 40, and now it should be nearly the same. Now we have 2.4, 2.1. That's pretty nice, and it's really, really close and realistic. So Yeah, everything is more accurate. Everything is working as it should. So yeah, this is our new strategy. For those who are in the Traders Club already, after the video later today, I will release it and the people will directly get it. So I will set it free on the trading view for you. The other one, I still will keep it, the old Profit Hunter. It will keep the same, but this one is maybe 2.0 or something. I will think about it because some of you might have running strategies. So let me just know if you all switched to the new strategy here. Then I can close it, or we will also keep it. So this was one part of the video, and the other part, let's switch over to 3-commerce, because you remember we made a video about a new CKB challenge with the safe settings and advantage of like a strategy in here. It's not that one, but another one I've explained in the CKB video. It was like 3 or 4 videos ago. Please check it out. So, and this strategy is really, really nice because it's quite safe, covering 60% downfall of a coin. So a coin can drop to 60%, and we even safe because we're buying safety orders until then and getting out much earlier. We have traded now 20 days, exactly 20 days. And this strategy, we have set it up. The minimum invest is 320. This is like the invest we have for the bot itself, plus collateral, we need to cover the 60%. So therefore, these percentage will be calculated, the 76% ROI we have now on the investment. This is something which annoys me a lot on 3-commerce, because if you put the settings in my backtester, it will be different. But this is like the ROI of the investment of the bot, not the collateral you have. But it's also like it's really, really nice results because you have an average daily of 3.6. Just for an example, if I use like a compounding calculator and I put in, let's say, the investment of 78.78, let's say we make 3.6 per day, let's say for 1 year. I don't know if we can keep it, would be really, really nice, but let's just see what's happening. And therefore, 7.78. We could stop working. I don't think so, but let's even say for, let's say, is it correct? Yeah. Let's say for, I don't know, 30 days, realistic, 20 days. What do we have for 20 days now? 100, yeah, that's correct. Roughly, that's what we have. And if we say like 19 days because of 3 months, we should be already being in almost 2,000. Let's see if we hit it. 120, then 240, and someone is kicking in like the compounding. Here. Somewhere between 120 and 240. Let's say 200. And would like get 90,000 too. I can't wait for the 200 days. So then it would be really nice. Let's see what's happening. But in this strategy, we make like roughly 3.6% per day. And I also calculated in a safe amount. So we're not reinvesting all the money. We reinvest in less, like 70%, and 30% we keep on the side to also grow the collateral a bit. So therefore, we can cover more than the 60% later, which could be like a more safe way for the strategy. And even with this, we make like this 3.61% per day. So I don't know. The thing is just right now, CKB is just going crazy. Maybe later I will adjust the strategy a bit and will like start not as soon as possible. Maybe I start like with an RSI to avoid a bit like going in on the peak. Even we have safety order indicators. And this looks like in the history pretty nice. So these are all the trades it just made, like non-safety order filled at the first one, and we made 1.2 USDT. If we fill 4, we make like $12. And then this was the maximum we had from the safety order zones beside like 000. Right now I filled 3 safety orders and waiting to sell. But CKB is really strong right now. It's not only because of that, it's going up so crazy, because if it's only going up, like here, we have 0 safety orders filled and also making not that much, but it depends. Yeah, sometimes we have really nice percentage of profit, like 7 and so on. So yeah, really nice. So yeah, that's the strategy. CKB, the results currently. And this is our new strategy, the Smart DCA Profit Hunter, I would call 2.0 or something. So I will let you know. You can already get it. Yeah? Everything is now much more accurate and really nice with the indicators. You will get like the RSI, you will get QFL, RSI, MACD, Ultimate Oscillator, and also if you have requests about other indicators, with special functions, I of course can implement it. Yeah, thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Please join our channel. Also, if you're really new and you don't know where to start, there's like my first crypto trading bot on the website. You can go and then you will get directly to all-in-one settings where we just set up together a bot. So that's it for now. Have a nice evening. Looking forward to see you, and bye-bye.